Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best silicone baking pans on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Silpat Premium Non-Stick Silicone Baking Mat. Silpats were among the first silicone baking mats on the market, and they still make a high-quality product, now at a much more affordable price. You can use this mat in place of parchment paper for baking, and it's non-stick without butter or oil. You can even use it for making candy since taffy and peanut brittle won't stick to the mat and it can withstand the heat of melted sugar. The half-sheet mat fits perfectly into a 13 into 18-inch pan. The Silpat baking mat is also available for other size pans, ranging from quarter sheet to 3/4 sheet sizes. The mat is made from a fiberglass mesh covered with food-grade silicone, so it's BPA-free and can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees to 500 degrees. It is freezer, microwave, and oven safe. The fiberglass provides even heat distribution for even browning, but sharp objects shouldn't be used on the mat to avoid exposing the fiberglass. If the mat is accidentally cut, it should be discarded. Maximum heat, 500 degrees, dishwasher safe, no. What we like. Eliminates the need for greasing the baking sheet. Easy to clean. Oven safe to 500+ degrees. What we don't like. Hand wash only. Number 2. Our second best pick is OXO Good Grips Silicone Baking Cups. These cheerful baking cups from OXO can take the place of paper cupcake liners, making them perfect for anyone trying to cut down on their use of paper products. Use them just as you would a paper liner, set them into your muffin tins and fill them to the batter line to ensure the uniform size of your baked goods. You can also opt to use a baking sheet instead of a tin. The sturdy silicone material encourages even cooking, and the tabs help you lift the cups out of the tins and remove the finished muffins without leaving a thumbprint. Thanks to the smooth interior surface, the cakes will come out easily for hassle-free cleanup. When you're not baking with them, they're also great to use in bento lunches to hold sides or dips. Maximum heat, 400 degrees, dishwasher safe, yes. What we like. Helps cut down on paper waste. Easy to remove baked goods. Versatile for uses other than baking. What we don't like. On the small side. Number 3. Our third best pick is Trudeau Structure Silicone Pro Loaf Pan. This silicone loaf pan by Trudeau is made from European quality silicone that stands up to years of use. It's a lightweight, easy to clean pan that doesn't need any additional preparation before use. A stainless steel structure reinforces the shape of the pan so the loaf keeps its form while baking, and the BPA-free silicone encourages even cooking. Once you're done baking, the silicone will cool quickly, allowing you to easily remove, no need for additional utensils, and transfer your loaf to a cooling rack. Safe for use in the oven, microwave, and freezer, you'll be able to go from cold to hot without the risk of thermal shock. This pan is also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Maximum heat, 428 degrees, dishwasher safe, yes. What we like. Steel reinforcement helps keep its shape. Easy release of finished loaf. Dishwasher safe. What we don't like. Might need to adjust bake time/temperature. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Classic Cuisine 18-piece Silicone Bakeware Set. This set of silicone bakeware has everything you need for baking your favorite desserts, quick breads, and more. Besides oven use, these pieces can also be utilized in the microwave, refrigerator, and freezer. You can use these for frozen desserts, for freezing portions of leftovers, and for baking savory foods as well. When you're done with them, gently remove any debris and put them into the dishwasher for easy cleanup. The set includes 12 cupcake molds, 3 each in red, blue, yellow, and green, a 16-inch cookie sheet, a 10-inch pie pan, a 9-inch round cake pan, a 12-cup muffin pan, a 9.5-inch bun pan, and a 9-inch bread pan. Because the bakeware is so flexible, it's best used on top of a standard metal baking sheet or similar pan for stability. The cookware is heat safe from -40 to 450 degrees. Maximum heat, 450 degrees, dishwasher safe, yes. What we like. Excellent assortment. Oven safe to 450 degrees. Dishwasher safe. What we don't like. Needs a baking sheet to support it. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Mrs. Anderson's Baking Silicone 9-inch square cake pan. This 9-inch baking pan is perfect for making brownies, square cakes, and cheesecakes with graham cracker crusts. It's sturdy, yet flexible, so your baked goods will come out perfectly shaped without a lot of hassle. The silicone, non-stick surface also makes for easy cleanup. It's also BPA-free, and the company claims it can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees, although some users warn to keep it under 400 degrees to be on the safe side. Additionally, some critical reviews have mentioned issues with the flimsiness of the pan, so for a better outcome, put it on a baking sheet, which will make it easier to remove from the oven. Maximum heat, 500 degrees, dishwasher safe, yes. What we like. Simplistic design. Dishwasher safe. Oven safe to 500 degrees. What we don't like. Needs a baking sheet under it for support. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.